Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your emergency car kit with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best jump starters, chosen for their power, safety features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, the NOCO Boost GB150. The NOCO Boost GB150 is built for people who don't want to take chances when their battery dies. This thing is an absolute powerhouse, delivering 3,000 amps of peak power, which is more than enough to start large engines, including up to 9.0-liter gas and 7.0-liter diesel. What really stands out is how confident it feels in real-world situations. Whether you're dealing with a completely dead battery in the driveway or stuck on the side of the road, the GB150 brings serious muscle. And despite that strength, it's designed with safety front and center. Spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection mean you don't have to worry about making a mistake when you're stressed or in a hurry. It also doubles as a portable power bank, so you can charge your phone, tablet, or other devices when you need it most. The built-in 500-lumen LED flashlight is another smart touch, especially for nighttime emergencies. It includes multiple modes, including SOS and strobe, which can be useful in low-visibility situations. The housing is rugged and water-resistant, so it holds up well in rough conditions, and the clamps are solid, with strong conductivity for efficient power transfer. Even with all that capability, it's still compact enough to keep in your trunk or emergency kit. Next up at number 2, the HULKMAN Alpha 85. The HULKMAN Alpha 85 takes a slightly different approach by blending strong performance with smart features. With 2,000 amps of peak current, it has no problem bringing dead batteries back to life in vehicles up to 8.5-liter gas and 6.0-liter diesel engines. One of the first things you'll notice is the large smart display. It shows battery status, readiness, and error messages clearly, which makes it especially friendly for people who don't use jump starters often. You don't have to guess what's going on. Everything is right there in front of you. Safety is handled with a 10-layer protection system, covering reverse polarity, spark prevention, overcurrent protection, and more. That adds a lot of confidence when you're dealing with cables and batteries in less than ideal conditions. Beyond jump starting, the Alpha 85 works as a power station too. It can run tire inflators, small fridges, and charge electronics through its USB-A and USB-C ports. The built-in flashlight adds extra convenience when you're working in the dark. At number 3, the Clore Automotive JNC 770R. The Clore Automotive JNC 770R is more old school in design, but that's exactly why many people trust it. This is a professional-grade jump starter built for reliability and consistency, delivering 1,700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps. It's especially popular with mechanics and people who work on vehicles regularly because it just works. The heavy-duty power jaw clamps and long 2AWG cables give you a solid, secure connection, even in awkward engine bays. That reduces frustration and helps ensure strong, clean starts. The internal Proformer battery technology is designed for repeated use, and the built-in automatic charger keeps the unit topped off and ready. There's also a master on-off switch for added control and safety during operation. It's heavier than lithium jump starters, but that weight comes with durability. This unit is built to take up use and keep going. If you want something straightforward, dependable, and proven, the JNC 770R fits that role extremely well. Moving on to number 4, the DEWALT DA-XA EPS14T2. The DEWALT DA-XA EPS14T2 is for people who want more than just a jump starter. With 2,000 peak amps, it can handle most cars and trucks, but what makes it special is the extra functionality built in. It features a 120 psi digital air compressor with auto stop, so you can inflate tires, bike tubes, and sports equipment right from the same unit. That alone makes it incredibly useful for road trips and everyday driving. There's also a 500-watt AC inverter and USB ports, including USB-C, allowing you to power or charge electronics on the go. Whether it's a laptop, phone, or small appliance,
this unit can handle it. Safety features like reverse polarity protection are built in, and despite everything it offers, it remains fairly portable. It fits nicely in the trunk and works well as an all-in-one roadside companion. For drivers who want one tool that covers multiple emergencies, the DEWALT DAXA EPS 14T2 is a very practical choice.
Finally, at number 5, the NOCO Boost GB40. The NOCO Boost GB40 is proof that small doesn't mean weak. With 1,000 amps of peak power, it can start engines up to 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel, making it perfect for everyday cars, SUVs, and small trucks. This one is all about convenience. It's incredibly compact and weighs just a couple of pounds, so it easily fits in a glove box, backpack, or emergency kit. That makes it a great option for people who want protection without carrying bulky gear. Like the larger NOCO models, it includes spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, so it's very user-friendly. It also doubles as a power bank and includes a built-in LED flashlight with multiple modes. Despite its size, it's rugged and water-resistant, built to handle real-life conditions. For daily drivers who want something simple, portable, and dependable, the GB40 is an excellent option. And that wraps up the top 5 best jump starters. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.